you very much for your interest in J-Farm Tomakomai's Smart Agriculture plant. The construction of the Smart Agriculture plant in the Tomakomai Industrial Zone began in March 2014. This plant, which incorporates a technology completely different from conventional Japanese agriculture, was completed in just a little over 4 months, thanks to the guidance and cooperation of the local government and the great efforts of the many companies involved in its construction. In this way, production operations smoothly started in August 2014. Now, let us introduce J-Farm Tomakomai's Smart Agriculture plant. This plant grows baby leaf greens, tomatoes, and tropical fruits. And it uses facilities including gas engines, biomass boilers, and hot spring combining heat pumps as energy sources. Baby leaf greens are grown in a hydroponic system in a 1-hectare area and are harvested 26 times a year. Tomatoes are grown in an area of 1.3 hectares and are harvested year-round. Now, let us explain the features of this facility. First is the Advanced Horticulture Control System of Priva, a Dutch company. Based on various data compiled, such as sunlight and wind direction, humidity and temperature, the system automatically controls environmental factors such as light, carbon dioxide, nutrition, and temperature in order to maximize photosynthesis needed for plant growth. In order to use the natural blessing of sunlight to the maximum, a high transmittance fluorine film developed by Japan's largest manufacturer in this field, Asahi Glass, is used in the greenhouse. Light transmittance is 10% higher than conventional glass greenhouses. This promotes photosynthesis and increases yields by 10% as well. Carbon dioxide is also needed to promote photosynthesis. During the daytime when photosynthesis is at its most active, carbon dioxide, at a maximum level of 2000 ppm, is added effectively with the aim to increase yields by 50%. Next is the use of various energy sources, which is an area of a specialty of JFE. A tray generation system with a gas engine is utilizing the electricity and heat, as well as the carbon dioxide that's generated by the natural gas-fueled engine. There's also a biomass boiler that uses wood chips as fuel. The combustion gas emitted is purified, and the carbon dioxide that is captured is supplied to the greenhouse. This approach was taken here for the first time ever in the world. Up until then, combustion gas was not supplied to greenhouses because it contained many impurities that were harmful to humans and plants. We control the combustion gas through the establishment of standards to prevent adverse impact on the workers or growth of the plants. Beneficial use of carbon dioxide, which had not been used in the past, is not only economical, but also reduces environmental impact. In addition to these solutions, from 2015, we have been engaged in utilizing the heat of hot springs. Using hot spring water pumped up from underground as a heat source, the heat pump raises water temperatures to 80 degrees centigrade to cover 30% of the heat needed at plant number 3. Now, let us explain to the cultivation of baby leaf greens and tomatoes. Baby leaf greens are grown from seeds, germinated, and raised into seedlings. The seedlings are then planted in a cultivation bed where they are grown and harvested. After harvesting, they are packed at the facility and shipped out. Tomatoes, on the other hand, are planted at the stage of young plant. Various operations according to their stage of growth follow, and harvesting starts from about 60 days later. Through the establishment of cultivation technology, we are currently producing tasty, well-balanced tomatoes with a sugar content of 10 degrees or higher and acidity of 0.8% or more. Not only is this tomato tasty, compared to regular tomatoes, it has about 1.5 times more lycopene, an ingredient with skin whitening effects, and about 5 times more proline, which has weight loss effects. In addition to baby leaf greens and tomatoes, in the future, we will be cultivating watermelon and blueberries, as well as flowers such as roses and orchids. Through demonstration production here at Tomakomai, we have been able to gain various techniques and expertise. With regard to our products, we have gone beyond Hokkaido to establish markets in the areas around Tokyo and even as far as Singapore, demonstrating that this approach realized high profitability. We will propose this new agriculture business model covering stages from production to sales, not only within Japan, but throughout the world. Please look forward to the future development of our smart agriculture business.